Hi guys, Tracy here with CocoCon Essential Oils. Today we're going to talk about dry, cracked skin and some essential oils that can help heal up dry, cracked skin, as well as some carrier oils that you can use as your base, because you'll be putting obviously the oils on your hands. But I'm getting a lot of questions and feedback from people like having the dry, cracked hands with the all the hand sanitizers being used and all the hand washing for our lovely virus that seems to be spreading across the country. So anyways, first I'm going to talk about the carrier oils, and then we'll talk about the essential oils, and then we'll make a blend together. So I have two carrier oils here, Tamanu oil and coconut oil. Tamanu oil has skin healing properties. It's really good for if you have like super bad hands, go for the Tamanu oil. The coconut oil is a soft butter, so at about 75 degrees, it starts becoming a little bit more of a butter. If it's warmer than 75 degrees, it's a liquid, but it is a heavier emollient. So it's good for that dryness. It's going to soak in just a little bit better for you. And then the essential oils we're going to talk about today for dry, cracked skin are lavender, helichrysum, vetiver, patchouli, and frankincense. All of those oils are really good for wound healing and uber dry skin. Lavender is, like I talked about yesterday, it's citrussant. It heals the skin on a cellular level. It's also antibacterial. In our formulation here, we're going to use either, I'm going to use vetiver because I prefer vetiver to patchouli, but you can use either vetiver or patchouli. They're just really rich oils, good for dry skin. And then helichrysum is an amazing oil. I'm actually going to do a whole video just on helichrysum because it is amazing for wound healing in particular. It's just it's really its true calling is for wound healing. And then what was frankincense. Frankincense is also another all-around good wound healer. So that being said, let's make our blend here. We're going to take 1 ounce of Tamanu oil. First, I wanted to show you guys actually Tamanu oil, talk about it a little bit more. Up here. So as you can see, it's kind of a greenish color, has a curry-like aroma. It's definitely, that aroma is going to be present in what you make. So, hope you like curry. If not, don't worry about it. It's very healing. So this is more about therapeutic value than it is about aromatic value. So anyways, okay, so that being said, that's our Tamanu oil. It's also thick. So keep that in mind. It's going to soak in slowly. But it will soak in all the way. Just have a little patience with it. Okay, so we have our 1 ounce of Tamanu oil. And on our website, we sell 1 ounce and 4 ounces. Just FYI on that. And it's also important to say any carriers that you buy should be cold pressed or unrefined. So when you refine a coconut oil, a Tamanu oil, a sunflower oil, when you start refining them, they're refined through high heat processes or chemical solvents, and they get stripped of any natural health benefits that they have. They have no therapeutic value. So really important that you get the cold pressed, unrefined versions of your carriers. And of course, on our at CocoCon, all we sell is the unrefined cold pressed versions. So, okay, so here we go. We've got 1 ounce of Tamanu oil. See my recipe here. Okay, we're going to do three drops of helichrysum. Wish you guys could smell this. I love the smell of helichrysum too. It's kind of a herbaceous with a little bit of floral undertone. So there's your 3 drops of helichrysum. And 3 drops of lavender. Why am I using, I wanted to use my testers here. 3 drops of lavender. Okay, and then we're going to do 2 drops of frankincense, and I'm going to do 2 drops of vetiver because I like vetiver better than patchouli. But if you only have patchouli in the house, then use patchouli. And also below this video, in the little comments below, you'll see I put the recipe there for you guys too, so you don't have to keep replaying this part of the video. And there's your 2 drops of frankincense, and last but not least, this will be interesting too, 2 drops of vetiver. So vetiver is like molasses. It's the thickest of all of the oils out there, or one of the thickest, I should say. So is one that you hold upside down and you have a little patience, because you'll see the oil. I don't know how close you are, Sarah, but you'll see the oil start to come down through the hole there. That's how you know it's starting to come through. So, okay, we're almost there. But vetiver, the oil comes from the roots of the plant. And I'm telling you, it teaches you patience. So there's one drop. And yeah, 2 drops. There we go. All right, so there is our vetiver. And then all you do is just cap and shake. And then after you wash your hands, you can put some on and let it soak in really good. And literally you'll need, just a few drops. You won't need very much at all. 1 ounce size will last you a very long time. And another option for those of you that don't want to make up your own, just want something that you can grab and use, we have 2 products that are made up here. One is a coconut body balm, and that has the cold pressed, unrefined as well as organic coconut oil, cocoa butter, beeswax, and jojoba oil. So that is one option. And then we have the skin healing balm. This is more for your wound healing, where you've got like red, bleeding, cracked hands. And that has the Tamanu oil, the helichrysum, the lavender, as well as some other ingredients. So I think that's it for today. And tomorrow we're going to talk about essential oils for sleep. Thanks for watching.